I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. You go down, you click here in this sign, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings, click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on push notifications, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to notify me of content I might like. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.